Hello friends, today's topic recently crashed stocks list. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Nifty is behaving like a seesaw in the last 3 to 4 days. Today our markets opened positively and continued to appreciate it as the day progressed. Finally it closed around 3.3% up. Observe the statistics of Nifty in the last 4 days and you will be quite surprised. CISA markets 31st May 2024 Friday, change in Nifty plus 0.19%, Nifty closing level 22,531. 3rd June 2024, change in Nifty plus 3.25%, Nifty closing level 23,264. 4th June 2024 Tuesday, minus 5.93% is Nifty. Nifty closing level 21,885. 5th June 2024 Wednesday, plus 3.36% is Nifty. Nifty closing level 22,620. So you can observe that the markets have moved both ways in the last few days, but finally it is trading at a level similar to which was seen on 31st May Friday. Of course, many individual stocks may have gone up or fallen compared to their price on 31st May. Even though the overall index has come back to the levels seen before the exit poll results, the stock price of some of the individual stocks have changed significantly. As long-term investors who would like to take advantage of opportunities to benefit from the lower prices, it is worth studying the fundamentals of various stocks and deciding whether to invest for long term. Here is a list of top losers in Nifty 50 index since 31st May Friday. BPCL price on 31st May 628, today's closing price 581 and minus 7.5%. 2. ONGC price on 31st May 264, today's closing price 247 and minus 6.4%. 3. L&T price on 31st May 3669, today's closing price 3409 minus 7.1%. 4. NTPC price on 31st May 359, today's closing price 341 minus 5%. 5. Coal India price on 31st May 491, now 461 minus 6.1%. 6. Adani Enterprises 3411 versus 3115 minus 8.7%. Adani Ports 1437 31st May, today's closing price 1355 minus 5.7%. 8. SBI price on 31st May 830, now 790 minus 4.8%. Power Grid Corporation price on 31st May 310, today's closing price 299, percentage change minus 3.5%. 10. Eicher Motors price on 31st May 4733, today's closing price 4579 minus 3.3%. Now moving to the second list, top losers in Nifty Next 50 index since 31st May Friday. REC price on 31st May 538, today 460 minus 14.5%. 2. IRCTC 1020 versus 919 minus 9.9%. 3. Power Finance Corporation 492 versus 447 minus 9.1%. 4. HIL 4973, today's closing price 4365 minus 12.2%. 5. Adani Energy Solutions price on 31st May 1123, today's closing price 952 minus 15.2%. 6. Company BEL price on 31st May 296, today's closing price 260 minus 12.1%. 7. Siemens price on 31st May 6967, today's closing price 6528 minus 6.3%. 8. IRFC price on 31st May 177, today's closing price 166 minus 6.2%. 9. LIC 1012 versus 941 minus 7%. 10. ABB India price on 31st May 8318, today's closing price 7813 minus 6.1%. Majority of the stocks which have fallen significantly in the last few days have not recovered much so far are PSU stocks. All companies may not recover quickly. As an alert investor, it is your job to study the companies and see which companies are worth investing for long term or short term due to the current stock price fall. Also, nobody will be able to guess whether markets are their bottom yesterday. Market could still be volatile with the changes in the new government and also change in ministerships. One good news is that India will fell significantly today from 26 to around 19. Only when the VIX cools down do markets usually have a chance of rallying. You must also check the stocks you hold and see whether any good stocks are corrected due to the current market volatility. If you expect good performance from that stock in the long term, you can consider investing some amount in the stocks already in your portfolio. Although Nifty has been extremely volatile in the last few months, the net returns in 2024 for Nifty is only 4%, including today's rally. So markets have been mainly flat the first 5 months of 2024. Apart from the updates on who will be made ministers in the new government, the next major event for the markets is the budget, which is likely around the second week of July. Budget announcements will show what the government wants to focus on the next 1 year and what changes may be made in the taxation. End of the video, here is a question. Has your portfolio recovered fully from yesterday's fall? Yes or not yet can be the answers. If you are not the member of the channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.